10 choices you'll always be glad you made. Life is filled with endless possibilities, opportunities, and paths to take. Every day, we are faced with decisions to make. From where we live to the career we choose, every choice we make leads us to this very moment. While some decisions may seem insignificant, others have the power to completely transform our lives. It's natural to doubt whether we've made the right choices, but there are certain decisions that we can be confident in and will never regret. Here are 10 choices that are worth making. 1. Continuously seeking knowledge. Education is not just about obtaining a degree or certificate to showcase on your wall. Likely, you're not even working in the field you studied. However, it's crucial to prioritize lifelong learning. Whether it's acquiring practical skills, learning a musical instrument or a new language, or embracing new opportunities, challenging yourself to explore and learn is essential. 2. Saving money from every paycheck. When that direct deposit hits, it's tempting to splurge on brunches, shopping sprees, or the latest gadgets. But setting aside a portion of your income for savings is important. It doesn't have to be a large amount. Even saving $50 per week will accumulate to $200 by the end of the month and $2,400 by the end of the year. It may not seem like much, but it's more than what you saved last year. As long as you're making progress, you'll be grateful for it when you need it. 3. Embracing sobriety. If alcohol has become a problem in your life, considering a sober lifestyle is a wise choice. Abstaining from alcohol brings numerous benefits, such as improved sleep, increased energy levels, and healthier eating habits. It may not be easy at first, but with dedication and a strong support system, you'll come to appreciate and enjoy life more authentically and openly. 4. Reflecting before taking action. We've all made impulsive decisions that we later regretted. Taking a moment to pause and reflect before acting can save us from unnecessary mistakes and regrets. By considering the consequences and weighing our options, we can make more informed choices that align with our values and goals. 5. Kindness over rudeness. It's easy to grumble at someone on a crowded train or brush off someone in need as you pass them by, but chances are you won't regret it if you extend a little compassion. You don't have to spend hours volunteering if that's not your thing. Even just holding the door for someone can make a world of difference. 6. Chasing after your aspirations and passions. I firmly believe in pursuing whatever ignites a fire within you and whatever motivates you to be the best version of yourself, regardless of your age or current circumstances. Never feel guilty about making the choice to turn your dreams into reality. You deserve to at least give it a chance and see where it leads you. You are truly deserving of transforming your dreams into tangible achievements, so hold on, stay faithful, keep pushing forward, and continue to evolve. One day, you will succeed. 7. Prioritizing yourself above all else. Never feel ashamed for prioritizing your own needs and desires from time to time. Remember, you cannot give what you do not possess, so it is crucial to practice self-care and self-love in order to come from a place of abundance. You are just as important as anyone else, so never view yourself as solely responsible for fulfilling everyone else's needs and wants. You are so much more than that. And if others cannot accept that, it's all right. Still allow yourself to do what is best for you. You deserve it, so never feel guilty for giving yourself what you are entitled to. 8. Starting anew from the beginning. You are never too young or too old to embark on the journey of living the life you desire. It may be challenging initially, but know that it will improve as long as you remain dedicated to yourself and your personal growth. Never regret your decision to embrace the life you want just because others make you feel inadequate. They will never comprehend your perspective. And that does not matter. It is your life, and you know what is best for you because you will be the one accountable for your choices. 9. Investing in yourself and your development. You are the most valuable investment you can ever make. Therefore, never regret spending on anything that brings you genuine happiness and aids in your personal growth. Whether it is a new laptop you have been longing for or a much-needed vacation, go for it as long as you take responsibility for each decision thereafter. Life is too short to deprive yourself of the opportunity to live fully and become the best version of yourself without any remorse. 10. Smile. This sense of gratification comes when you exchange the most human of smiles with someone. According to studies, smiling at a stranger can change his day. Not to mention, just the simple act of smiling can warm someone when he is feeling a little blue. You won't regret flashing those pearly whites.